Hello, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. Today we are going to learn how to hide or show columns or rows in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. Open Google Spreadsheet, select columns you want to hide. After selecting column, right click, click on Hide Columns. Column D and E are hidden now. You can hide rows. Select rows you want to hide. Right click, click on Hide Rows. Here you can see that selected columns and rows are hidden now. You can unhide rows and columns by clicking on arrow. Here you can see that I unhide rows and columns by clicking on arrows. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thank you.